guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Leah Adams, the Selfie Queen. For today's video guys is another haul. It's very exciting because I have a lot of things beside me right now and I'm gonna show you guys everything. So this is gonna be a massive haul, and this stuff that I got guys is from NEIMAN Marcos website, and all of these are from my mother-in-law. So I'm very happy, I'm very excited, and I haven't experienced being shopped for this kind of stuff. I hope you understand that I haven't experienced buying a lot of things at once, and this is a total of $500, so that's 25,000 peso in the Philippines. And I'm so excited. This is my first time having all this kind of things with me, and I feel like I'm dreaming. I feel like this is not true. I'm just grateful and thankful, and I really appreciate everything that I have right now. I can't explain it to you guys what I really feel. I don't know how to say it. I don't know how to express it, but all I know is I'm really thankful. I'm very grateful for the family that I have here in the United States, and I miss my family in the Philippines too. So I just can't believe that this is all mine, and I'm gonna show you guys everything I got, not to brag, just to show you guys that I'm really happy. This is what makes me happy, showing you guys the stuff that I got. One day you will get yours too. If you haven't got there, just keep going. I know you will get it guys, and I am just thankful and very happy. In a few, like sometimes at night, I always pray, and I always thank the Lord for having everything I have right now, for being so blessed. There's a lot of struggles, there's a lot of trials, but at the end of the day, you always have things that makes you grateful and makes you really thankful and really blessed. Just I'm so drama, I don't know, but all I know is I'm grateful, I'm thankful, that's it. I'm not gonna talk anymore. Let's go to the video, which is showing you guys all I got. Let's go. So guys, here's what I got. So this is the whole box. It's really big, and don't worry, I already sanitized everything that I have in here because I got this like a few days ago. This didn't came all in one. Some, like this bag came late, I mean the last one, and then there's two shoes here that like came separate. So now let's start with the top one, which is the brick bag. As I said earlier guys, this is from the website NEIMAN Marcos, if I pronounce it right. So this is $99. The brand is Bricks. Yan. And then you can, it's a two-way bag. So guys, you can do it like this. You can hold it like that, or you can do it as a backpack. So that's how it looks like. I love black, you know guys, you already know. So I picked the black one. The details are like this. I love the inside because you can put laptop in here, you can put your notebooks in here, you can put book in here. I'm talking about school because yes, I'm planning to go to school here in the US, so I'm trying to collect stuff that I need for school, and I haven't enrolled yet because of coronavirus. Schools are closed, and I'm still trying to find a school that's gonna fit my interests. So I will not talk about that. We'll talk about the things I got. I always get like distracted and always talk and always like say things, story and all that. But anyway, this is the bag. There's another what's this called? Another zipper. Let's just call it zipper because I forgot the term. So there's one, there's two, and then there's another one in front. So in front you can put phone, you can put your extra lipstick, you can put your ball pen. So that's inside. There's another one, there's another zipper. You can put a lot here. You can put your wallet, you can put all your stuff in there. So it's really nice, and I really love this bag. It's actually one of the favorite things I got from the website, and I think this would be really helpful for me when I go back to school, or even if I go to work. And it's like that, guys. So that's the first one that I got, and I got this for $99 from the brand Bricks. The second one I'm gonna show you is makeup. I got this on sale, and I was really happy because I didn't bring all of my makeup from the Philippines because it was really 2 years ago and some of it are expired. So I only brought the things that I really like my favorite. But this one I got the same website. All of this are from NEIMAN Marcos website, and this one I got for sale price, and I haven't opened it because I was waiting for this video. So let's see. There's 3 products inside. There's base, primer, eyeshadow. There's liquid pen eyeliner, and there's a eyeshadow palette. So for the eyeshadow palette, guys, I'm so excited. I haven't opened this. Ooh, basic colors. I love basic colors because I'm morena skin, or like brown skin. So brown, all of these colors are good for morena. Like me. I'm so happy with all the stuff I got. I'm really, really happy. I cried when I was checking all of this because I'm just in shock that I have all of this. I haven't experienced this, and I was just grateful. I've been telling you guys in this video, I'm really grateful. I'm really grateful for my husband. I'm really grateful for my mother-in-law. I'm grateful for everyone around me. So the next one is ta-da! A shoes. This was $70, and this is white Adidas shoes. I love this kind of shoes, guys, because I feel like it's very comfortable and neat. So especially it's white. Whatever you wear, I think it suits the white shoes, and it's really clean looking, and I don't know, I just really like it. So it's this one. I am size 7 in United States. Looks like this. The front and the side. The back looks like this. guys, that's the third one that I got. I'm still really excited opening all these things, even though I already see it. I haven't wore any of this, guys. Oh, next one is from Adidas still. It's black with gold, and I really love them. This is their combination of colors, guys. It's gray, black, then gold, and then white, and then the bottom looks like this. Yay! That's the fourth one. Adidas still. The next one is from Puma, and it looks like this. Ooh. Ooh. Looks like this. This is my first time owning this kind of shoes, like all like different colors. I usually just have one color, black, white. I haven't tried all this kind of colors, crazy colors, but I super love it. I think it's really unique. And look, yay! That's, and there's one free, what's this called? Liston sa Bisaya. But there's white and there's yellow. I think yellow and white really fits well in the shoes. I like the details of the shoes. I just think it's really cute. Like that. And that's the fifth one. I super love it. Oh my god. And the last one, this is from Michael Kors. Looks really big box. And out of all the stuff that I got, this is the most expensive one. This is like $150, guys. And this one, some of these shoes are on sale, and it was really nice that I got them from the sale price. This is $150, so just add it up. This is $150, and the bag is let's say $100, so that's $250 already. So this makeup, this shoes, the three shoes is $250. So it's either each of them, this is $70. I think this was $50, and this one was around $70-$80 too. And this one was $30 plus. So we're going now to the Michael Kors. The last but not the least, this one. I super love them. This is the details, guys, of the shoes. I really love because there's rose gold, silver, white, black. It's really nice, and it's, oh sorry, the details is like this. The front looks like that. There's MK here, and the side have these details. In the back have the MK logo. I think it's really cute. It's really nice. And this is really amazing. Like, I can't believe I have all of this stuff with me right now, and I'm just, oh my god, I'm so thankful. I have cried a lot since I got in the US, for being so thankful, for being grateful. I still couldn't believe I'm here. I cried also because I miss my family in the Philippines. but I'm happy at the same time. So I'm having really I'm overwhelmed. I'm having mixed emotions. I'm just happy and grateful for everyone. And thank you so much, guys, for you all for always watching my videos. One day I'll get back to you guys when we grow, and one day soon we'll have another giveaway if we continue growing. If we reach 10,000 subscribers, I will have a giveaway for you guys again. Share this video so whenever we get to 10,000 subscribers, we will have a giveaway. And share this to your family so they subscribe to me. Smash that bell button and comment anything for me in the comment section. So yes, guys, so this is all I got. I don't know how to show you guys one. All I got. Oh, for thumbnail. It's like this. For thumbnail. Let's do this, guys. We can do this. So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you're happy for me too. And thank you so much for watching again. See you in my next video. Stay home, stay safe. God bless you guys. Bye.